a truck. We're going down a hill. We're going up a hill. What expectations does okay. Oh goodness.
So for this video, it's gonna be a little bit weird, but all we are doing purely is just getting Nick's reaction. That's the whole point of this video. He's gonna film too, so you guys, it's gonna be like behind the scenes on his video.
Dude, I don't react to things, so it's gonna be a pretty boring video. I'm like,
well, we'll see about that.
Okay. What the? That was okay.
So that was half send, by the way. We did not floor it all the way through. We're just getting him warmed up for the real action.
I feel like we need to open the moonroof because I'm gonna bounce through it. All right, so it looks like we're gonna go down and up. Yeah, no big deal. I'm game. Doesn't seem like.
What does James always say? Never doubt full send.
Yeah, he's a bit dramatic though. He's a bit dramatic.
I mean, so you've been in a lot of his videos, experienced a lot of stuff that he does. Do you think that this is like the definition of full send from his definition of what he does?
No, I mean, we're just gonna go down a little hill and we're gonna go up a little hill. Full send. What does full send really even mean, anyways? So let's see what's up. Yeah, this is.
Can't see.
It's a truck. We're going down a hill. We're going up a hill. What expectations does okay. Oh goodness. Yeah, my bad. That was never doubt full send.
By the way, you have officially you officially have your whatever your pilot's license. We have fully caught air.
We definitely caught air. I was not expecting that. This thing, that's amazing.
And I mean, we jumped we were kind of all over the place, but I mean, it was pretty comfortable landing. I just injured my back last week and yes. I'm fine.
Yeah, I mean, we were going all over the place, but I was comfortable. I was scared to death, but I was comfortable. That's crazy.
Well, this is take 3 here, and Nick is getting some awesome drone footage. So,
well, take out the word awesome. I'm a rookie drone pilot, and I'm gonna be bouncing around. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see. I'm ready. I think. I don't know. Oh, jeez. Maybe
Oh, we just barely stopped in time for that.
Jeez.
You're good.
Yeah, we still rolling here?
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready.
The last one kind of spooked me a little bit, but
even though I know what's gonna happen, I'm still like, you gotta brace up.
It's like that amusement park ride that you've already gone on like 5 times.
Yep.
And you know exactly what's gonna happen, but you're still, until it happens.
Yep. I gotta say, this is better than an amusement park ride though.
Oh yeah. Didn't catch air, but that was fun.
That was good, because you could feel just the mud.
Yeah,
kicking and flying.
We're gonna be going on this little part here. Hopefully we can get some cool camera angles. We're with Nick, and I mean, part of it's gonna be me talking a little bit about the Raptor off-road, and then part of it's gonna be Nick reacting to my shenanigans, I guess.
Mainly how bad the Raptor is off-road, right? Incapable. Oh, nice. Okay, that was nice.
I'm just showing off a little bit. We're just kind of like Tokyo Drift status out here, but in a Raptor.
Dude, this mud is the gooeyest mud. Man, it's nice. Oh,
told you. I think I just ran it over. Oh no, I missed it.
You missed it. Yeah.
There's this like old rusty can that I just barely.
Not a can, a container. It was a target. Not, it was a big thing.
I mean, I'll be honest with you guys right now. I've done this trail a million times, but every single time I've done it, it hasn't been this muddy. And this is fun, but it's actually really challenging to maneuver the truck, because the truck literally wants to slide all over the place. Just to give you guys an idea of how slippery it is out here, I normally take this trail right here at about would say 30 miles an hour, like especially this part. Oh, I just got tons of mud. This part, I would say about 30 miles an hour. I'm only going like 10 miles an hour.
Well, this water right here is like 10 inches deep. Not that it's muddy, that was a lake.
Another reason why you should buy a Raptor.
Wasn't even worried.
Guys, I am in 4-wheel drive right now, and if I floor it, the Raptor has so much power, I cannot get traction in 4-wheel drive. Dude, look at the back.
Dude, it is spraying. Mud is just flying everywhere.
I put a GoPro on the back of the truck so you guys can see the backwards view. We are completely sideways here.
This is a lake, full-on lake right here. It's about 5 feet deep. Okay, not 5. Yeah. No
We're doing
problem.
4-wheel drive drifting right here.
Oh, yep. We're caked in mud. We got mud all over the place.
I'm not even, if I was in 2-wheel drive right now, I would just be completely spinning out like crazy, and I'm spinning out like crazy in 4-wheel drive.
Respect to Ben for these massive mud mayhem he's causing.
I think this is like technically a mud burnout.
Yeah, this is technically full send. Oh yeah, here we go. Nice.
Okay, we're gonna pretend like that was on purpose, but I cannot get any traction at all here. We got Nick piloting the drone, so complete focus and concentration on the drone while I'm doing my shenanigans. So he's in like a life or death situation right now.
I gotta get the drone higher. It's gonna get shattered with mud. Oh, dude, this thing is caked. I'm not even recording. What a rookie. Let's see what she's got.
This is a 4-wheel drive mud burnout. Well, front windshield is gone visibility wise.
Covered.
We've got like a little lake up here. Now we're wading through water with the Raptor. The one thing about the Raptor is, and I mean this is any 4-wheel drive truck, when you put it in 4-wheel drive, it's pretty hard to turn. It just doesn't turn on a dime like when it is in 2-wheel drive. It's perfectly fine. Okay, we're gonna try to get Tokyo drift status here. We're coming in pretty hot to the water. We're gonna get a mud wall here.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Who's flying this drone, man? He's a terrible pilot.
Well, you guys can't see the front windshield, but I can't see out of it, and so we're dealing with limited visibility here now.
Oh, you're good. I got you. Just go straight. I'm working really hard here. Oh my goodness. This is my arm workout for the day. Just getting little tail swings with this truck, keeping it straight. I wish I could just show you guys, like, I wish you guys could feel just how much work I have to put in just to keep the Raptor going straight. I'm kind of cheating right now. I'm using ruts. I'm just waiting for a little bit more of an opening up here. That was like the worst timing ever. I literally did the windshield wiper fluid to wash the windows right as I went through a puddle of mud and just got more mud on the windshield. Okay, I think this is our place up here. Oh, that's money right there. Yes.
So what Nick doesn't, well, I mean, he's gonna know now that I said, but we're gonna be in 2-wheel drive for this thing. Okay. You can see in 2-wheel drive, do not move at all. We cannot. There is no traction.
We're in the middle of a lake.
There is no traction at all in 2-wheel drive.
Most trucks wouldn't even be able to move at all. We'd be making phone calls right now. Oh, nice. Nice.
Gotta get back into this mud pit. Oh my goodness. This thing is uncontrollable in this right now. There we go.
Oh yeah, man.
Now we got it. Now we got kind of like a 4-wheel drive mud donut going. And I mean, James is cool for doing donuts in the snow in his Aventador, but I challenge him to do donuts in the mud in his Aventador. We're going through our last little, I guess, like I said, off-road obstacle here with the Raptor, which is jumping it again. And right now is extremely hard to turn the truck because, not because the truck's having any issues, simply because I can't see out of any of the windows. They're completely caked in mud, and even the front windshield is so caked in mud that half of it's just not really able to see through, essentially. Oh, here's some bumps. Yeah, it just takes all these bumps so well. That's what I love about the Raptor. We're not going to jump this, but here's like the first little. There's actually a slight chance that I might not be able to jump the Raptor just simply based on the fact that I cannot get traction. Yeah, so here's the jump that I originally did. That would be this. I've got to kind of clear out the jumping area just a little bit. Just make sure the ice is all broken up. It's gonna be kind of scary to jump it though because there's tons of water in it, and so it'll block out might block out the windshield for just a second. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch air. I mean, I'll try.
Yeah, I mean, we already caught air. You got to keep that in mind. You know, you're over here like, oh, we're gonna try to catch. We caught air earlier, so we've succeeded. We're just gonna see if we can do it in a different spot.
This is our test run before we commit to bringing out the drone and everything, just to see if it's even possible. If not, we've got some epic footage from our expert drone pilot.
Novice. I'm a novice. Just bought it.
That's tough.
It's slippery.
Yeah, kind of. So when I did this earlier in the year when it wasn't so muddy because it didn't snow as much, that path was pretty much straight up to the jump. After the jump there's a bunch of rivets, but now it seems like the little path has worn out a little bit more. Maybe there's just been a ton more activity, but it's just not as clean as it was before. Okay, we didn't jump, but we got up enough speed, so we were going about 30 miles an hour, I'd say. For me to actually catch air at that jump, we have to go 50. I don't know if we.
You got to go from 30 to 50.
I don't know if I can do it.
We were already sideways at 30. Pre-jump, you were sideways a little bit because of the mud.
First little mud puddle. Whoa. Didn't catch air, but whenever the jump is, it's pretty much impossible to get super high speeds in all this mud. It's hard to talk. I have to like completely concentrate on what I'm doing right now, just because. I mean, the Raptor's not squirming all over the place, but there's a lot happening.
Dude, I appreciate the concentration.
Turn the windshield wipers on full blast here. Okay, we're good. Now we're hitting the jump. Full send with donuts. Oh, we got kind of stuck there, so we're gonna have to kind of regroup over in this area and hopefully don't get as stuck.
Nice, keep going. going, keep going.
There we go. We got.
Oh, that's money.
Oh man, you can smell the donut.
Yep.
You can smell it.
All right, pause.
It doesn't, and by the way, it doesn't smell like sugar or anything like that. Just straight engine.
Hey, dude, full send.
We got a full, and I'm the driver right now, and these are making me sick because we're going hard. You're gonna try to film both,
dude. We're filming here. We're filming here. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're live. We're going.
Oh man, I think we got enough donuts. I think we at least got 2 dozen. At least 2 dozen.
Dude, I've been waiting for you to say we've had enough donuts like 20 donuts ago. I am just like, the world is spinning. I need some lunch. I need a jazz game. Jazz Nation. We're going to the jazz game today. Let's get a W.